see what's broken. Drag the scanner to check it out. You're so smart. Super! To fix it, we need to take apart the log loader. Keep going. Perfect. Choose what you want to fix first. There's something wrong with the wires. To open the cover plate, rotate the switches and turn on the lights. That's a lot of dust. Let's vacuum it up. Perfect. Plug the wire into the right place. Triangle. Square. Circle. Heart. Yay! It works! Something is dripping here. Use the tool to cut the chains. Pick up all the junk with pliers. Keep going. Help reassemble the pipe. Rotate the pieces so the gasoline can flow through the pipe. Super duper! You fixed it! Wow, what a hole! It needs to be welded in. Let's clean up the edges using a tool. Keep going. Wonderful. Put a patch on it. Excellent. Magnificent. Let's weld the edges. Move the tool around the edge of the patch. Keep going. Perfect. The only thing left to do is paint. Keep going. Yay! It works! All done! Now help to assemble log loader. I appreciate your help. Now we can upgrade the parts. Go to the construction site. Congratulations!